So hey guys, this side is Manak, and in this video we are going to see how can we configure our username and user email on Git. So the first step is open git bash, and in order to configure username, type the following command, which is git. Git means that basically every git command starts with the keyword git. So this is something that you have to type every time if you are going to execute a git command. So git config means that we are going to change the configuration files. In this video we are going to set up the username, so that's why I'm typing config and dash global. Global means that the username that we are going to set up or config will be configured for the current user of the operating system. The current user of the operating system is, as you can see, c/user/love. So the current user is love. So the username will be set up or configured for the user which is love. I think this makes sense. And then you have to type user dot name, then leave a space, and then inside double quotes type your name, and then press enter. So our username is configured, and in order to configure your user email, type following command, which is git config dash global, and then user dot email, and then leave a space, and inside double quotes type your user email, and then press enter. So as you can see, our username and user email is configured. Let's verify it by a command. And so to verify that username is successfully configured or not, you have to type the following command, which is git config user.name, and press enter. So our name is successfully configured, and to verify whether email is successfully configured or not, type git config user.email, and then press enter. So as you can see, our username and user email is successfully configured. So this is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.